Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to block ads on your phone. The only truly comprehensive way to achieve a system-wide ad-free experience is by configuring a private DNS. This method works across all applications, not just your web browser. We will walk through the simple steps to set this up in your phone's network settings, ensuring you block unwanted advertisements effectively and efficiently, giving you a much cleaner digital environment. Choosing the right private DNS provider is crucial. Services like AdGuard DNS and NextDNS are excellent choices, offering robust ad blocking capabilities and enhanced privacy. These providers filter out ad requests at the network level, meaning ads are blocked before they even reach your device. We will guide you on how to locate the specific server address for these services, typically a simple hostname, to input into your phone's settings. Beyond basic blocking, some private DNS services offer advanced customization. With providers like NextDNS, you can tailor your block lists, allowing you to block specific categories or even unblock certain websites if needed. This method can significantly reduce your data consumption, potentially saving several megabytes daily, and may even offer a slight improvement in battery life by preventing numerous ad requests from loading. We will also touch on common troubleshooting tips. To maintain your ad-free experience, it is wise to periodically check for updates from your chosen DNS provider, ensuring you have the latest blocking definitions. There might be rare instances where an application doesn't function correctly with the private DNS enabled. In such cases, temporarily disabling it is a quick fix. For an even more robust defense, consider combining this system-wide method with browser-specific ad blockers, offering a multi-layered approach to digital peace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.